Coach Saraya, and I'm a shadow work coach and a single mom of two. So, like many of you, I was raised by well-meaning but unhealed parents. Yung mga parents na laging galit kasi stress, laging kontrolado yung kilos namin, walang space para magtanong, umiyak, or magkamali. So, lumaki ako na may anxiety, madalas ako nagigilty kahit wala akong ginagawang masama, and I struggle with boundaries, people-pleasing, and low self-worth. So, alam ko na if hindi ko siya hinarap and hindi ko siya hinil, mapapasa ko siya sa mga anak ko. So, I spent so much on therapy, healing, and learning how to reparent myself.
Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm also a business owner, mom of two, and I'm also a conscious parenting advocate. So, like Saraya, I also grew up with parents who are unhealed. Yung parang konting pagkakamali lang, ang daming sinasabing hindi maganda, na alam ko naman na hindi nila sinasadya. Pero, yun nga, sometimes, minsan, naiisip ko, napapasa ko siya sa mga anak ko, na yung mga anak ko na dating makukulit, madadaldal, hindi na lumalapit sa akin. May mga ganong moments kami before. So, yun, may mga uncomfortable outbursts din sila, tantrums, and everything. So, kaya namin ginawa tong workshop na to is to help you also not to experience that. Kasi wala naman nagturo sa amin nun di ba?
And nagiging cycle kasi yan. Kapag hindi natin siya hinil, so yung parents natin, di rin naman nila kasalanan kasi yun din yung way na parent sila, ng mga magulang nila. Usually,
Yes.
pag millennial ka, yung parents mo ng parents mo ay mga galing sa gera. So, mga very deep yung mga trauma and wound. Kaya, ganun sila pinarent. Very strict, very angry, very controlled. So, napasa nila sa atin yun. And tayo, if we're not conscious about it or aware or intentional, mapapasa din natin yun. So, nagsisimula yun by healing ourselves or by being aware and by wanting to break that cycle. Kasi hindi naman kailangan na porket ganun tayo pinarent, ganun din yung ipapasa natin.
And it's not just about parenting tips, it's about understanding your triggers, healing your wounds, and also learning how to raise kids from a place of love, not fear.
Yes. And in just 2 hours, so it's just one session, ito yung mga matututunan nyo. Number 1, bakit ka nga ba natitrigger? Kasi kailangan aware ka doon. Number 2, pag natitrigger ka, paano mo i-heal yung sugat na nagkakos nung trigger while you're also parenting? Kasi ang hirap ng may inaalagaan ka, tas inaalagaan mo rin yung sarili mo or nire-reparent mo. So, susuportahan namin kayo doon. And number 3, how to raise kids that feel emotionally safe and self-aware para hindi rin sila maging mga triggered, angry kids paglaki nila or mga anxious kids na walang boundaries at people pleaser gaya ko noon.
And this is your first step. Mahirap maging magulang but you don't have to do it alone. Nandito kami to support you through this workshop.
Yes, so we're excited to see you inside the workshop. It's happening June 14, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. Kung hindi kayo makaka-attend, it's perfectly fine. Register pa rin kayo. You will have access to the replay. Meron din kaming bonus na safe parenting worksheet. It's a journal on how to make sure na you parent in a very emotionally regulated and safe way para ma-feel ng mga kids na safe and loving yung home nyo. So, we'll see you there. Reserve your spot now by clicking on the link in this landing page. And see you on June 14.